Hey, dear Clarence.
Hi there. What a friendly cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
Meow. It's a second to get it.
Oh.
How dare you?
Idiot.
Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
What's going on, man? Whoa!